Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm trying to, not really trying, but I'm gonna show you something new that I find out, and it's really good. I tried it, so now I'm going to share. My recipes are not are all tested. I tried and I see if it works. Then that's the only time I'm showing you or sharing it to you. So today I'm going to show you another new way to have a toast. What do you call that? Brown sugar toast. It's kind of intriguing. So first is margarine or butter. So it's up to you. I run out of butter, so I use my margarine. So scoop about 1 tablespoon, or well, I did not weigh, so it's about 1 tablespoon is to 1 loaf bread. So it depends on how many loaf bread you want to eat, and then of course you have to put more. So I want 1, so I only put 1 tablespoon. So I put this in the microwave for about 10-15 seconds. There. If you didn't have microwave, then just leave it outside the counter, or just let it thaw so that it easy to mix with the sugar. Okay? So it's almost done. So it's like that. It's thawed, and it's okay that it's not that much, but it's good enough. So like that. And then pour about this is a teaspoon, so I will put 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoons. So it's about 1 tablespoon and a half if you make it into a tablespoon. So just mix. And this is salted margarine, and if you're using unsalted one, then you have to add a little bit of salt, because salt and sugar is to balance and to give a better flavor. Believe me for that, and every chef will do that. So this is a breakfast idea. Well, you can use it as well as lunch, because lunch breakfast for me is quite almost similar. I eat just about anything except in the supper time that I used to cook something nice. There. And then this is a loaf bread. You can use any type of loaf bread you want. I'm going to use only 1. Like that. Like that. Oh, I have more, so I will use 2, maybe 2, but I will see. Then just spread, and then put in a low fire. So my frying pan is ready over there, so I will just go there. Here. Here. In low heat. It's got to be in low heat. And I'm going to, there is more for 1 tablespoon, so I'm going to make another one. Like that, the same, just spread all over. Actually, this is a very good idea when I first try. Then put the same. I will show you. It looks that way. There. Cook in low heat. So while it's cooking, put this cheese on top. Any kind of cheese is okay. Just like that. And the leftover, just put it on top. It has to be a non-stick pan. There, just wait.
Of strength, the source of mine, to win the fight. Jehovah Nissi, the Lord is my banner, to stand my ground in the raging battles of life. Jehovah, you'll never leave me alone. Your abiding presence, the sweet all my weariness. Your abiding presence gladdens my heart. Your abiding presence moves me onward. Your abiding presence lifts all my head alone. Your abiding presence.
So good. Masarap to. It's really good.
Your abiding presence, I am so sick you. El Shaddai, source of strength, source of life, to win the fight. Jehovah
It's
Nissi,
ready.
Lord is
Let's go eat. Okay, breakfast time.
stand my ground and the raging battles of life.
Kain tayo. Let's eat. Breakfast.
You'll never leave me alone.
Toast.
Jehovah, you'll never leave me alone.
Malutong. It's really good.
Jehovah, you'll never leave me alone.
So this is a recommended toast. I like it. I'm sure you guys like it too. The combination of sugary or sweetened and cheese, it's a really good combination. So yeah, you can try, guys. It's really good. So I just have my breakfast. I'm done. And there's more to do. A blogger never stops working. So see you again, and thanks for watching.
In dark moments, you are there. In times of weeping, you are there. When the waves of life comes, you are there. You